Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is Sabina Kumbura, mother of two lovely kids, daughter fighter pilot, fashion designer, and fighter in life. I hope your weekend was good. I tried not to disturb you for the weekend, and it was very important that you have the quality life with your family, with your kids, with your husbands, with your mother, father, mother-in-law, father-in-law. It was very important. So I thought I'm not going to intervene in between and disturb you. And now today's topic is a very interesting topic and close to my heart. That's anxiety. Um, Anxiety, what we feel in our emotions, in our relationships, in our mental health. Whenever we are anxious or we have that anxiety attacks, that is the time when our relationship level is going down. That happened to me once. And you always have people around you who are surrounded around you, who are a great help and who are an emotional bond to you. When I had anxiety attacks or when I went into depression, when I thought my relationships were going down, it was my son who was a motivational spirit in my life and who taught me how to get up and face all the hardships. Get up, mom, and you have to live your life. When I went through the separation period or when my ex-husband left me, so that was the time when my son taught me to get up. So in any case, people around you are the only people who are a great motivation to you. I'll tell you one thing. I was reading this book in the morning, very beautiful book, and I wanted to bring this thing in mind, that there is a goddess of happiness. I never realized that. I could not think of that people abroad also think it in such a way. So there's a goddess of happiness, and she's also waiting for the disciples to come pray to her, and she wants that somebody should be knocking at the door, and she should be spreading the happiness around. So one day, this man, who was not a very happy man, he thought that he's going to get some kind of jewels in his life. He was working for a goldsmith, and he thought that probably he's not destined for it. He went and prayed to the goddess, and that night the goddess came in his dream, and she told me that you are the man who took action. Now you see that you've taken an action by praying to me, and now it is my turn to give you happiness. Now it is my turn to give you the, whatever goal or whatever you're desiring in your life. So men in action or women in action, or who are praying in their lives, or who want happiness, love and affection in their lives, will get happiness, love and affection in their lives. Like I always say, keep your aura positive, you will get positive feedback. But then again, one has to be in that kind of a scenario where you have to keep your thoughts positive, even if last night there was a buddy partner working with me. He's in Bombay, not nearby, and we are working together. Our thoughts match, and sometimes I get a hitch in computers also, so I take his advice. And he was telling me, ma'am, you are the one who's encouraging me all the time. And I was very sad sitting down at the moment, and the very thought that I told him something about some technique or something, whatever, I don't want to disclose it. And he said, now that my energies are charged, and we are going to work from today. And like today morning, he's busy, not even picking up my call. So I think that that positive attitude is there, and he's working with his full spirits. And thank you so much for listening to me very patiently. This is day 5, and that was a short thing which I wanted to tell you about anxiety and God of happiness. I never realized that in people, foreign countries also, people do believe in this thing. There is some goddess of happiness who's sitting there for people who want to come into action and who want to take happiness in their lives. सो हमारे हिंदू धर्म में हमारे तो रिलीजन्स ही इतने हैं इंडिया में कि हमारे तो गॉडेस ऑफ हैप्पीनेस तो कितनी निकल आएंगी, और हमें तो इसका एग्जाम्पल देने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, बस हमें थोड़ा सा झंझोड़ने की ज़रूरत है। हमें थोड़ा सा ज़रूरत है कि हमें आके कोई थोड़ा झंझोड़ दे। जैसे लाइक माई थिंग केम आउट एंड आई वॉन्टेड टू डिस्कस दिस थिंग विद यू दैट आई शुड बी टॉकिंग अबाउट द गॉडेस ऑफ हैप्पीनेस। बट देन अगेन जब आप लोग ये वीडियो देखो तो मुझे बताओ गॉडेस ऑफ हैप्पीनेस कौन है इंडिया में। शायद मेरी नॉलेज इस मामले में थोड़ी कम होगी। And now day 5, happiness challenge, and here I come. I was not in a good spirit today, good mood today, but I have promised you that I'll be covering 30 days. So that is how I'm coming today in front of you. So day 5, get up in the morning, give 10 minutes to yourself and purge your kitchen cabinet, Take out things from your kitchen cabinet, donate the kitchen things from the kitchen, and drink water. Start drinking lots of water, even if it's cold, weather is coming. Still, you need to drink lots of water. That is very important to keep our body hydrated. 5 ideas for decoration. Diwali is coming. अगर आप लोग ये वीडियो देखो 5 ideas of decoration बताओ तो मुझे ज़रूर बताइएगा ताकि मैं भी कर सकूँ. And hug your kids. Priceless. They are priceless. अपने बच्चों को अपनी सीने से लगा के जो वार्मथ मिलता है वो और कहीं नहीं मिलता. Whenever I'm unhappy and I'm not in a very good mood, my kids know it. They'll come and hug me, and that is the time I forget everything. So now is the time. I mean, we should do it every day. It's not that it's once we have to do it, but then we have to make the realization that our kids are very important. Dance to your favorite song. Pehla Nasha Pehla Khumar. Yes, it's my favorite song. Brunch with your friends. I have a friend downside. See what she makes today. So I'm going to drop into her house or ask her if she's made something so we do eat together. Her name is Anshi and she's a very beautiful girl, very beautiful woman. I must say we were in school together and that is how we have now started interacting. We have our families together. And now read something that will make you smile. The very fact that I'm coming to you and making a video from you is making me smile. Single, yes, that is the most important thing. Walk with the stars and the moon. You're going to get the energy. If you start walking with the moon, सूरज से तो गर्मी मिलती है. हमें वो वाली गर्मी नहीं चाहिए. हमें ठंडक वाली ठंडी चाहिए. So walk with the moons and the stars and you see you will get a positive energy. जो मैं positive energy की बात कर रही हूँ वो आप रात के टाइम पे जब आप stars और moon, I keep doing that, usually I do that. And 5 strengths. Write down your 5 strengths. All the single women. It's not single. It's like सब women ही single होती हैं. जब कभी उदास होती हैं तो बेचारी single ही होती हैं. उनका साथ देने वाला कोई होता नहीं है तो शायद मेरे wordings आपका साथ दें. Be a good Samaritan. Please do help somebody. That is the most important thing. So the most important topic which I have come over here, apart from this happiness challenge, is do pray to the goddess of happiness that you are a person who wants to take action. You are a person who is going to go ahead in life and who is going to march ahead in life. And you want that all the happiness should be coming. तो धनतेरस भी आ रहा है, So वो positivity, वो energy, वो दरवाजे वगैरह थोड़े खुले रखिएगा रात को, so that लक्ष्मी जी हमारे घर में आए. Goddess of money is Lakshmi ji. Yes. Thank you so much. Signing off, mother of 2 kids. This is Sabina Kahura, mother of 2 kids, daughter of fighter pilot, fashion designer, and fighter in life. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Bye.